Alright, so as promised, I said that Butterfly Princess would arrive today, and dun 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 dun, it arrived today. $108, and it came today. So, I guess better late than never, I suppose, but yeah, this is, believe it or not, a Lolita vlog, so, if you couldn't tell by the title, but yeah, it came today. It came actually a little, like, probably around 4:30, but it's literally 6 o'clock. It's 6:01. But I had to take my dog, Shyla, to the vet, because she was having some situations today, and I was like, I can't do the unboxing for this right now, because I gotta take Shyla to the vet, so Shyla's okay, if you were wanting to know. She's alright. Commercial invoice. Okay. She's doing okay. She just has a little bit of, probably like a little dog cold, so. But let's get this unboxing together, because my heart is actually not in it today. So, I'm glad my last video got a lot of good, like, I was able to help people, because I still can't believe that happened. I did talk to my mother today, and I told her, because I told y'all during that vlog yesterday that I talked to her for a short bit and thanked her for being, like, not judgmental. Actually, let me keep these. I thanked her for not being judgmental, and she was like, what was all that about? And I told her, and she was just like, for real. My mom was disgusted. She was like, you should have called that woman an idiot. I'm just like, Mom, I can't go around calling people stupid. You gotta be diplomatic. So, alright, so, it looks like a football. This is weighty as hell. I was not ready for the weight of this, the heft of this. It is weighty. Damn. Okay. How the shit am I gonna get in this without destroying it? So, I've never gotten anything from 9 Odes before. I have no idea what the actual hell the quality is going to be. I had somebody that I know from our community. She ordered this, and she's on my Instagram, and she was like, I like it, but I don't love it. And now I'm kind of like, uh-oh, did I just fuck up? So, I don't know what is, like a box of chocolates. I don't know what I'm going to get. So, okay. It comes in a 9 Odes bag. Dress bag. The last time I saw this Lolita, it was in a big plastic bag. Actually, it's not plastic, it's cloth. But that is cool. I've never gotten, and I know they give these out because there's some girl on TikTok. She does unboxings a lot, and I see her with shit like this, and I'm like, how the fuck do I get something like that? So it's some company out there that's ganking Lolitas that on their extra shit. Hold on, before I open this up. This is all smushed up. 9 Odes. Sorry, I'm being extra precautious, but it kind of doesn't matter because I'm still gonna put this on before I wash it. Service card is the only thing in English, but that's what this is. It looked like an invitation, but wait, 9 Odes. Sorry, rubber gloves. 9 Odes, and that's that. And it, there's, I guess this is a part of the outfit, which that's going to take me a little bit to figure out. And there's one more thing in here. Oh, it just says 9 Odes, and then 9 Odes with the logo on the back. So, man, if this is how stuff is coming, why the fuck didn't I get like a pumpkin cat's bag for that situation when I ordered Royal Corgis? The torture that was Royal Corgis. Alright, so this is so fucking spiffy! Oh my god! I am pleasantly surprised. So, let's open the bag. We got you out of hostage state. God damn, this dress is heavy. This is a weighty dress. Oh my God. But this is what it, oh wow. Wow. I could see where the complaint was it was lace in places she wished there wasn't lace. Wait a minute, some of the lace is all folded, weird. Oh Lord, I wish I had a dressmaker like doll so I could fix this, because it needs a good steaming, and I think I have like a full steamer, and then we also have a mini steamer. I don't feel like getting any of that out right now because it's been a long day. So, and it's Monday, so Monday's traditionally the day I do my little Zumba routine, and my body is screaming at me in 5 different languages. Most of them languages I don't know, and it's just like, bitch, please. So, trying to sort out the lace to make it look nice, but damn, that's the front. God, this is fucking amazing. As much as I hate to say it was worth the $108 shipping fee, I really am reluctant, but it really is. Wow, and this is the back. It's got like flowers, like a flower clip, like a little train on the flower clip on the butt bow. The bag is just white, and it's got the stretchy, look at this construction. Oh, okay, it's got the serging. So sorry it's white and it's not coming out the best, but it's surge protected right there. Let me see if I can't sort this jewelry out, because this seems like this is all wonky. Yeah, there it is. Oh, I hear a dog trying to come in here. No dogs allowed right now. And it's probably Raven Pepper. Yeah, and the bows. Yeah, this just needs a good steaming, because the bows are all wonky because of the trip. It just took like 2 massive trips. It came from China, went to Hong Kong, and took a grand fucking voyage to get to me. So, oh, it's got like a little butterfly right here. So, and these are the straps. These are like the side sleeve things. So, man, this dress is heavy. My arm hurts. Probably because I was also doing Zumba today, but damn. Oh my God. I have to take all this stuff off to wash it. I don't know. The material seems a little on the scratchy side because it's like on my leg. Seems a little bit on the scratchy tip, but I'll forgive it because it won't be when I put my underskirt and stuff on. So, man, this is heavy. Good God, this weighs a ton. I'm gonna have to find a good sturdy hanger to put this on, because if I try to put this on one of my regular plastic hangers, especially the purple ones I bought, those purple ones I bought were worth a shit. They break. I've broken 4 of them already. I broke 2 on the first damn day I got them. So I gotta find a good ass hanger to hang this on, because this bad boy is weighty as hell. So, oi, let me go try it on. I am ecstatic. So I will be right back, and you'll see what it looks like as a whole. Alright, so I have to hold the microphone, but like, sorry, I never have any room to do like the full shot. This is the front. This is super damn heavy. Like, the weight of it is making me hot, and I'm just like, oh good God. But this is the front in all its fluffy glory, which is what I was going for this year. And that is the back. So now I can honestly see where some of the complaints were, where you want it's lace where you kind of don't want it. It makes sense. So it's super fluffy. I feel like I need an even larger petticoat, and I'm under 2. I'm under literally 2. I'm like my big poofy one, and then my like mid-range underskirt I used to have when I was chubby. So, but I just feel like it needs a lot more poofage to carry this skirt off. But I gotta get a good blouse, but this is gonna be a tough one to find a blouse for. So I gotta get the blouse situation together. But overall, minus having to pay an extra $108 for the shipping, I am very pleased with it. It's a lot heavier than I thought it would be. Kudos to 9 Odes, and I guess kudos to Taobao Focus. They did come through. They didn't come through with the shipping costs, but we live in a COVID universe now, so that's just happening. I found some article like how COVID-19 has disrupted shipping around the world. Tell me about it. So here's the side, like, ruffly thingies. This is a lot going on with it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I just need to find the appropriate, like, I need a bigger underskirt, and I need to find, like, the appropriate blouse. Like, the blouse I have on is fine, but I feel like I need a different blouse for this. And I like it. I'm glad I got it. I'm really glad I got it. So if they still have them somewhere, 9 Odes, I have no problem with the quality. This seems extremely, like, and looking at, like, even the bow and stuff. Oh, it's like a little teeny bit of roughage right there. See, I just pulled some roughage off right there. You see that? Yeah. That I just pulled off, but that's like a minimal thing. But yeah, it's really pretty. Super pretty. It is super heavy. If you choose to get it, it's really heavy. My crown is slipping, so it's not even bobby pinned to me properly. I'll deal with it later. So alright, I just wanted to show you 9 Odes Butterfly Princess. It has arrived. And do I feel like a butterfly princess? Yeah, kinda. It seems like I either have to loosen up the back, because it seems like it's pulling, but I do not have the appropriate bra. I'm supposed to be wearing a minimizer, and I'm not wearing a minimizer bra. I'm just wearing a regular bra, so, which is a little padded, so that's not helping. But it feels a little tight in the chest area, which it shouldn't, because I'm not even close to where the max bust is. The max bust for this is 108 centimeters, and I think the last measurements I did, it was like 98 or something like that. So I don't know, but overall, I am pleased. I am glad I got it. I'm glad it came. So I have no like major like, I fucking hate this. Plus, I love the 9 Odes bag that it came in, dress bag. Kudos to 9 Odes. Oh my god. So I am satisfied, and I will see you all at another time. Okay, later.